put ourselves on the spot and predict according to us who will be the top four and थोड़ा बहुत उसके साथ reasoning देते हैं and then we'll go ahead with even probably predicting the winner.
Okay.
So पहले तुमसे शुरुआत करते
क्यों
हैं.
क्यों मुझसे क्यों शुरुआत करेंगे? आपसे शुरुआत करेंगे.
ठीक है. सो करंटली टूर्नामेंट का फर्स्ट इनिशियल लेग हो चुका है एंड जितना मैंने देखा है और जितना मैं समझ पा रहा हूँ उससे मुझे लगता है कि टॉप 4 होगी. ऑब्वियसली राइट नाउ आई कांट प्रिडिक्ट द ऑर्डर बट आई वुड से आरसीबी, मुंबई इंडियंस, पंजाब किंग्स and I'm backing SRH to make a comeback.
Okay, that's interesting. Yes, Mumbai Indians, they're a gun team, so I would always keep them in my top 4. और फिर उनको आगे चल के हरा के भी तो मजा आएगी. Then RCB, of course, my favorite team, and they have made it to so many playoffs. I will back them to make it to the playoffs this season as well. Number 3 would be PBKS, of course. को बहुत ज़्यादा बारे इसके बारे में as we have said before, we don't talk about them so much, but the way they are going this year and the way Iyer is in form, I believe that they will make it to the playoffs. Fourth one, I will be a little thoughtful about whether it will be GT or DC.
So come on, gun to the head, one only.
Okay, I'll choose DC because I'll still back a team. See, if my 4 predictions come true, it's MI, RCB, DC and Punjab, then we will have a 75% chance of getting a new winner. So I will back DC.
That is true. And if that happens, another fun thing would be that we would actually have 3 common teams in our top 4. So where I've gone with SRH, you've gone with DC. And yes, I think this year is the year where it's looking probably most likely where newer teams who haven't won IPL do have a chance. क्योंकि इससे पहले क्या था, the usual suspects generally start taking a lead at the beginning of the race itself. But इस बार कुछ अलग तो है. Okay, top 4 तो predict कर लिए. If you had to just say the tournament winner. Come on, let's not make it that difficult. Let's predict 2 options. Who do you think?
No, let's just go with one option only. One will be fun. I think if you have MI in top 4, it will be very difficult to stop them at that stage. इसीलिए मैं हमेशा चाहती हूँ MI पहुँचे नहीं, लेकिन जब MI पहुँच ही गई है तो MI को रोकना मुश्किल होगा. तो my prediction will be MI will win IPL.
Yeah, I think that was a very similar thought that I had because उनके वो सारे players ना उस मुकाम पे बहुत बार पहुंच चुके हैं. So they become very cutthroat and ruthless once they reach the top 4. वहाँ से फिर वो जाने नहीं देते. So my prediction also would be Mumbai, and I know many people aren't saying this out loud, probably more because of fear, but I think the outside chance or the dark horse this year is RCB. I do think they have a well-rounded team. बोलने का नहीं, I know, but I do feel like an outside chance RCB, but yeah, Mumbai, if they reach the top 4, very difficult unless they have a bad day or somebody has a great day as an opponent team. But yes, I think पता चलता है कि हम दोनों काफी क्रिकेट देखते हैं क्योंकि more or less हम बहुत similar page पे हैं.
Exactly.
अब बात करेंगे individual predictions की. The orange cap, purple cap, obviously अभी जिस तरीके से टूर्नामेंट शुरू हुई है हमको भी अंदाजा आ गया है कि क्या हो रहा है और क्या नहीं. So your prediction for orange cap holder at the end of the tournament?
I think Shreyas Iyer. There is no doubt in my mind that he will take the orange cap this year. And because just the look at the way he has gone through the year. And अगर उस हिसाब से he doesn't make the orange cap, I will be disappointed.
शाओमी एक हाई-फाई हो जाए. मतलब लो है पर 5 है. मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने एग्जैक्टली सेम थॉट प्रोसेस सोची. पहले मैंने सोचा निकोलस पूरन के पास अभी ऑरेंज कैप हो गई है लेकिन वो लीड में है, लेकिन he will play fewer matches because I do not see them qualifying for the playoffs. Shreyas Iyer will get more of a chance and I think he is going to continue playing the way he has been playing for the last year and a half or so, and I am also going to say Shreyas Iyer. So that's another common prediction. Now we are going to go on to purple cap.
Yep.
इस बार अगर गलती से तूने कुछ बोला जो मैं सेम सोचता हूँ ना, so I'll just take a bet on someone else and say
Okay,
something else.
ठीक है.
Okay. Chalo, purple cap prediction from you.
No, first you, because I did the orange cap prediction first.
Okay, chalo, I'll do the purple cap. I feel like even though he has come late into the tournament, and I know Noor Ahmed has a big lead, I feel it will be Matisha Patirana because of him bowling all his 4 overs at the death, and they do not have a great attack in the death overs except for him. And when you want to score runs off him, it's very difficult. In fact, पिछले कुछ matches में भी एक दो catch छूटे या फिर उनके wickets और हो जाते. So even though he was out injured for the first few matches, I feel he's going to cover those many wickets.
I could have gone with you, and I also thought of Noor Ahmed as my choice. But looking at the way CSK has been performing in the first early stages of the tournament, I don't see them again making to that playoff. So that means at least 2 less matches, right?
Minimum,
So,
yes.
so yeah, I mean, that's why I am not keeping my bets on anybody from CSK for that orange cap or purple cap. You know, somewhere in my heart, I feel it will be still Yuzi Chahal. He will take the purple cap. And the reason being, again, PBKS looks like a team that can make it to that top 4 and even to that top 2 probably. He has all the experience in the world. And thirdly, we all know how IPL pans out in the second half of the tournament where spin becomes so much more handy.
Integral, yes.
And यार उसके पास कलेजा है. वो दोबारा सोचेगा नहीं मार खाने से. मतलब he will be having that courage. So I will put my bets on you.
No, absolutely. In fact, that's one thing that's common between him and Noor Ahmed. They are both genuine attacking spinners because defensive spinners pull the length back, start bowling faster. They are okay to concede singles or 2 runs. These guys are not scared of getting hit if they can take a wicket.
Yeah.
And some really good mentions could be even Vanindu Hasaranga. Again, another bowler who doesn't fear getting hit.
Yeah.
Again, a brave bowler and a proven quantity. You would know he was in RCB. And another person currently in RCB who's also a good runner for the purple cap is Josh Hazelwood. These are some honorable mentions because he always takes those crucial wickets in the power play.
True. I agree, and I feel that just the only reason why I didn't pick a Hazelwood was just for the fact that I know that probably IPL will favor spinners in the later half of the tournament a lot more compared to the पेसर्स. जैसे ही वो पिच पुराने होते जाएंगे शायद पेसर्स उतने इफेक्टिव नहीं रहेंगे. बट जॉश हेजलवुड इज़ अ डिफरेंट बीस्ट ऑल टुगेदर. सो अगर जॉश हेजलवुड को पर्पल कैप आ गया तो क्या बात है.
एब्सोल्युटली. अब मूव करते हैं टुवर्ड्स MVP.
Yes.
So, which is the points they accumulate. Now, that is like an equivalent of the player of the tournament. क्या लगता है MVP कौन होगा?
मुझे लगता है शुभमन गिल विल हैव अ गुड चांस बिकॉज ही इज ऑल्सो द कैप्टन. करेक्ट मी, इस पूरे मतलब पूरे जो स्कीम होता है यहाँ पे यू ऑल्सो गेट मोर पॉइंट्स फॉर अ कैप्टन, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स दैट कम्स इनटू फैंटेसी.
You do get points for that. You get points for strike rate. You get like situational points भी मिलते हैं कि तुम किस situation में खेले and all that.
So I think from that point of view, I see Shubman Gill being a good potential there क्योंकि वो बंदे में एक्स फैक्टर भी है, अच्छा भी कर रहा है, गुजरात भी अच्छा कर रहा है, यंग है, बहुत ज़्यादा फैन फॉलोइंग है. So I feel Shubman Gill can be that factor.
I think the kind of season he's having and that he is also the captain and we are counting on PBKS going, into the top 4. I'm going to bank on Shreyas Iyer to have like
Again?
a 500, 600 run season and get the orange cap as well as the MVP because if he's going to score those many runs, then he's going to get a lot of points.
We have not spoken about Virat Kohli in this whole thing, which is very unlikely.
So actually Virat Kohli मेरे दिमाग में कुछ हद तक ऑरेंज कैप के लिए दिमाग में था because even if one or two he has these 1 or 2 innings where it doesn't come off, suddenly in 3 games he'll score 200s. He's that kind of a player. When he hits that sweet spot, he chases these kind of things also. He's a chaser here also. Suddenly you don't see him and then you see your rear view mirror and he's right on your tail.
Exactly.
So Virat Kohli, if he has that kind of a season, oh my God, then RCB is going to fly high.
Okay, I will not talk about that, but पिछले साल भी ऑरेंज कैप विराट कोहली के पास था. इस साल अगर विराट कोहली वो जीतते हैं तो बैक टू बैक ऐसे कभी हुआ है पहले क्या? आप लोगों
I
को पता है? Like,
I
I
I
don't know.
don't think that's happened back to back, but I think he's tied on maximum number of times Orange Cap won with, if I'm not wrong, with David Warner and KL Rahul. I
Yeah.
think both of them have won it. All three of them have won it 2 times each. So that man is not at all, क्या बोलते हैं, उनके लिए रिकॉर्ड्स ब्रेक करना कोई नई चीज नहीं है.
खुद का ही record
So,
break कर
वो
लेंगे,
अगर
हाँ.
रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करने की बात आती है तो ही इज द वन गाय हु यू ऑलवेज बैंक ऑन ब्रेकिंग रिकॉर्ड्स. सो हु नोज, ही प्रोबेबली माइट जस्ट. सो आई थिंक दोज वर आर प्रेडिक्शंस एंड आई थिंक मोर और लेस 19-20 हम लोग सेम रेंज में हैं.
बिल्कुल.
आप लोगों को क्या लगता है, व्हाट आर योर प्रेडिक्शंस फॉर टॉप 4, द ऑरेंज कैप होल्डर, द पर्पल कैप होल्डर और इवन द MVP? Just write, and even write your reasons in the comments below.